Hey friends, thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. My name's Tawanda and welcome to At Home with Tawanda. Today I'm going to take you along with us as we prepare a delicious meal. I've been craving a nice juicy steak and my husband grilled these to perfection. They are absolutely delicious. I'm also going to be showing you a few more fall decorating ideas for your countertops. My goal is to always give you motivation and hopefully help rejuvenate you to get some cooking or decorating done yourself. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy today's video. These are some really huge cowboy steaks. So Phil is preparing them by cleaning them, and he's also going to season them with some seasoned salt, pepper, paprika, and some meat tenderizer. We want to make sure these steaks are as tender as possible. Let's just take a close look at how seasoned these steaks are. You want to make sure that your meat is very well seasoned throughout. So he's going to finish this one and do the next one too. Alright, so we set the steaks inside of the fridge for about 45 minutes to marinate. And as we did that, I made us some bacon wrapped asparagus. This recipe was super simple and delicious. I just took some fresh clean asparagus, sprinkled a little salt and pepper on them along with some olive oil. Then I wrapped them in some bacon and it turned out perfect. If you're looking to keep things healthier, you can try turkey bacon. It's just as delicious as regular ones. I placed it in the oven for about 35 minutes, and guys, they turn out beautiful, juicy, crisp, and delicious. Okay, so I went ahead and placed the bacon wrapped asparagus on some paper towels, and that's just to absorb the extra grease. To add to our meal today, we're also going to have garlic butter shrimp. Phil is going to go ahead and lightly season it with some salt, garlic butter, and also some Old Bay seasoning. He then is going to place them on a grill, and guys, grilled shrimp is bursting with so much flavor. It was absolutely delicious. Alright, so now it's time to check on our steaks. They've actually been on the grill for about 40 to 45 minutes. They were filled with so much flavor, and guys, they were so juicy. It's definitely #1 in my book. Our steaks were medium rare, but of course if you want your steaks more well done, you can cook it for a little longer, or if you want it more rare, you can cook it for a less amount of time. Now we're going to plate everything and enjoy this nice delicious meal that we prepared together. I'd rather have a home cooked meal like this any day versus than takeout or fast food. Let me know in the comment section, which one do you prefer? Do you like home cooked meals, or do you like just taking out something easy and that's fast? Everything turned out amazing. The steaks were juicy, like I mentioned before. The garlic butter shrimp were bursting with so much flavor, and those bacon asparagus wraps were so savory. Our taste buds were definitely doing the happy dance, y'all. I hope you've enjoyed cooking with us today, and if you're still here and you like cooking, decorating, cleaning, organizing, this is the channel for you. We do a lot of that here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date with new videos. Also, if you're still here, the rest of the video is going to be a part 2 of my fall decorating underneath my kitchen cabinet. So I'm going to simply play some relaxing after dinner music and show you 4 different ways to style underneath your cabinet for fall. Let's go ahead and jump right on into it. All right, friends, so we are done. Everything that I used to help decorate underneath the kitchen cabinet was something that I already had in my home. I'm a big believer in reusing items if any way is possible. Everything is either from the dollar store or either Amazon, and I'll leave links in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much again. I appreciate each and every one of you, and if you're new here to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see all of you on the next video.